चलो लिखो बस, बातें ख़त्म। रेडी? 80 है जी, पैसी नंबर 23 है। I am directed to refer to this department's letter of even number dated 13th November, 1984, and to say that instructions were issued that where the original date of birth recorded in the service book of a government servant is not legible, sanction of government in S and GAD must be obtained after fixing responsibility for mutilation of the original entry and furnishing full justification for acceptance of change, full stop. It was further desired that officer in charge of an office or department who have custody of serve record of employees working under them must examine service books slash service rolls of all employees under their charge and ensure that the change, if any, is taken care of well before retirement of the persons concerned, and necessary action is taken against the persons responsible for tampering with official record, full stop. It has been observed that the number of such cases, referred to this department is on the increased, and it is always claimed that responsibility for the change cannot be fixed, full stop. In order to avoid belated reference, it has been decided that all heads of offices who have the custody of service books slash service rolls must record a certificate in the first week of January every year and in every service book to the effect that they have personally examined the service book slash service roll and have found these in order, full stop. Such certificates should be pasted in the service book slash service rolls from the last page onwards, full stop. A head of office, not employing with these instructions should be reported against the failure by his successor to the next higher authority for appropriate action, full stop. I am directed to refer to this department's circular number dated the 21st October 1971, in which a firm policy was laid down that the domicile declared by a person at the time of entry into service will be treated a final throughout his service career, and no subsequent change would be recognized or reflected in his service record, full stop. These instructions may apply to serving government servants, but there is no restriction on candidates applying for different jobs that the domicile declared while applying on an earlier opportunity will not allowed to be changed, full stop. Instances have become to the notice of government that certain candidates applied for a vacancy allocated to a particular zone and produced domicile certificates from the different zones, full stop. हाँ जी.